Welcome back. In this video tutorial, I want to show you how to set up your Roku account and how to enable the developer options inside of your free Roku account. To publish your channel on the Roku streaming network, you need to have a free Roku account and you need to have the developer options enabled inside that account. Let me show you how to do that. Go to Roku.com and in the upper right side of the monitor, click sign in. If you already have a Roku account, you can sign in and enable the developer option. If not, you need to click on create account. You need to provide some basic information to create the account. A name and an email. For this demo purpose only, I'll use some dummy data. Certify that I'm over 18 years old and that I agree to the terms and conditions and that I don't want emails. I'm not a robot, and click continue. Choose if you want to have a PIN on your account or not. This is a required step because technically we set up a free Roku account. That should be connected to a Roku device, from where you can purchase different types of subscription-based channels from the Roku store. I will not want to do that right now, so we just leave it as it is and click on continue. From the payment screen, you'll need to choose a payment method. For these demonstration purposes, I will just add a PayPal and click continue to PayPal. After you've authorized and connected your PayPal to your account, you will arrive to the My Account page. Going forwards from here, the setup process is the same for those who already have a Roku account created and they just sign in. From the upper right corner of the monitor, scroll over this little face icon from the drop down, click on Developers. To enroll in the developer program, click on Dashboard. You'll need to provide some basic information to enroll in the Roku developer program. You can join the developer program as an individual or company, and after you fill in the data, you just click on continue. After you submitted your information and you click continue, you'll arrive to the Roku Partner Payouts program page. Now, if you intend to monetize your channels using ads and ad feeds, you need to enroll in the Roku Payouts program. The process is quite easy but can take a little time to get approval. So if you intend to monetize your channels, it's recommended to click on yes and submit the required information. Basically, it is required to submit your tax information. This information will be used by Roku only in the case that your channels will be monetized using Roku ads. If you don't want to join the program now, click later. And you'll arrive to the Roku developer dashboard. And on your account is set up now and the developer option enabled. You can start creating and publishing channels. See you in the next video.